swear to God, her ass fat than a bitch, bro. Alright, close that pussy all day. I swear to God, this bitch thick than a motherfucker though, man.
Hey, real talk. I just talked to Lil Bro, man. He said them niggas still talking shit about last time, man.
So, man, they ain't talking shit about my big brother, man. I ain't worried about shit.
I feel you, but man, we gotta handle that shit, man.
We gonna handle that shit. I'm looking at these ass, though. You feel me? We gonna handle that shit.
Yeah, man. That's all we gotta do is worry about that nigga. Anybody else move, man, you already know what the fuck to do.
Man, I'm gonna get this money.
Man, get this money,
Let's
man.
get this nigga old.
Alright, Eddie, don't finna get some water, man.
Alright, man. We here.
Grab me some too, nigga.
Yeah,